Tangmaiban constituency MLA KH JOYKISHAN has announced to donate Rs 1 lakh for construction of Meitei deity shrine at the sacred Mount KOUBRU. He informed this to media at his Tangmaiban residence today. The ongoing 48-hour general strike imposed by Manipur State Panchayat Parishad from yesterday continued to cripple normal life in the valley. A large number of job card holders in Tongju Gram Panchayat area took to streets. They blocked Imphal More Highway near Manipur University, Kanchipur. No untoward incidents were reported. The Manipur State Panchayat Parishad has imposed the strike to put pressure on the Manipur government to fulfill their demands, including release of MGNREGS funds. They say the state government has withheld the funds already released by the centre. A huge scuffle flared up between the police and the BANDH supporters at Utlo Chanura Market along Tidim Road under Nambol in Bishnupur district during the 48-hour Manipur-wide general strike call given by the Manipur State Panchayat Parishad. The scuffle happened when members of Panchayati Raj institutions (PRI) and job card holders of the constituency blocked roads at Utlo Chanura Market. A team of Nambol police led by DSP L. Shanti Kumar and officer in charge K. Subhash Chandra rushed to the spot to control the crowd. A team of Manipur Water Resource Department today paid an inspection visit to Mapho Dam. Water Resource Department Chief Engineer G. Robindro Sharma, who took part in the visit, told media persons that Mapho Dam does not have any water leakage issue. India has recorded 3,14,865 new COVID-19 cases today, the highest one-day spike seen ever in the pandemic. As per media reports, the death toll in the last 24 hours stood at 2,104. The total number of active cases now rose to 22,91,428, while the cumulative number of confirmed cases in India stand at 1,59,30,965, recoveries at 1,34,54,880, and the death toll at 1,84,657. Manipur's COVID-19 death toll mounted to 380 as 2 more persons succumbed to viral infection in the last 24 hours. The state also reported 92 new COVID-19 positive cases in the span of 24 hours, pushing the total tally to 29,961 according to the latest update by the State Health Department. The 2 fatalities were from Jiribam and Kokching districts. The state's active cases stand at 453, while the recovery cases are 29,128. The recovery rate dipped to 97.21%. Food insecurity is rising sharply in Myanmar in the wake of the military coup and deepening financial crisis, with millions more people expected to go hungry in coming months, the United Nations say today. Up to 3.4 million more people will struggle to afford food in the next 3 to 6 months, with urban areas worst affected as job losses mount in manufacturing, construction and services, and food prices rise, a World Food Programme WFP analysis shows. The Myanmar army seized power from the democratically elected civilian government on February 1, plunging the Southeast Asian nation into turmoil and cracking down on mass protests and a nationwide civil disobedience movement, with brutal force killing more than 700 people, a monitoring group said.